Malaysia is a precious jewel that is between the 12 richest countries in terms of biodiversity. It has over 200 tree species, more than 15,000 flowering plants, over 185,000 animal species, including Malayan tigers and sea turtles. Biodiversity and ecosystems provide us such great services not only for the nation but also for the world. In recent years, the habitat of Malayan tigers and sea turtles has decreased rapidly. They have been listed as endangered animals that we, as humans, should protect. They have been listed as endangered animals because of humans' activities that destroy their places, especially for Malayan tigers. Humans' activities such as deforestation, illegal logging, and hunting has made their habitats become endangered. Soon or later, they will become extinct if we do not play our role to save them. Different stories for sea turtles. In Malaysia, we have 4 different types of marine sea turtles, which are olive ridley turtles, leatherback turtles, green turtles, and hawksbill turtles. All of these sea turtles are endangered species because they are activities that treat and consumptions of their eggs. Their places to lay eggs has been destroyed by irresponsible human beings and also illegal and unregulated poaching of turtles by foreign vessels. Harimau belang, or better known as Malayan tiger, is the only tiger that we have in Malaysia. It has a scientific name which is Panthera tigris jacksoni. Nowadays, they can be found in forests of Pahang, Perak, Kelantan, and Terengganu. Their priority areas in Peninsular Malaysia are in Belum Temenggor Forest Complex, Taman Negara Pahang, and lastly, Endar Rompin Forest Complex. As the main carnivore in the ecosystem, they can eat their prey, which is 5 times heavier from their weight as their prey. In Peninsular Malaysia, their food resources are wild boar, deer, greater mouse deer, Malayan porcupine, gaur, and tragulus. They also choose to live alone except when they are mating or still a cub. The mating process is usually every year and they usually give birth to 2 or 3 cubs per year. But unfortunately, their habitats left just around 250 to 340 tigers. It has been confirmed by WWF and Perhilitan. Currently, our Malayan tigers are listed in IUCN Red List as critically endangered and under the Malaysia Wildlife Conservation Act 2010 as a totally protected species. There are some major threats to the Malayan tigers: habitat loss, lack of food resources, illegal hunting, killing because of the conflict between humans, and the using of measures in the forest are the biggest threats of the extinction of Malayan tigers. Hunting is the biggest cause of the decline of not just Malayan tigers but tigers worldwide. In Malaysia, they are hunted for the use of medication. They are widely hunted for traditional Chinese medicine. This is because ancient Chinese culture believes that tigers have medicinal qualities because of their strength and mythical power. As example, tiger bones are believed to contain high medicinal properties and very popular in black market. Somehow, they consume tiger meat as they think it will cure disease. However, there is no scientific evidence to prove this claim. Moving on to sea turtles. In Malaysia, we have 4 types of sea turtles that exist, but the focus of this is now facing extinction in Malaysia. Rantau Abang Terengganu used to be the nesting home of one of the 7 largest leatherback populations in the world.
Di Semenanjung Malaysia baru ambil data secara intensif lah bermula tahun 1980-an. Okay. Tapi pasal pemeliharaan penyu di Malaysia ini telah bermula yang paling awal sekali di Sarawak. iaitu dimulakan dengan lebih awal sekitar 1950-an macam tu. Okey, tetapi untuk membandingkan antara data penyu dan juga data harimau ini kita boleh jangkakan dia dan kita boleh kira dia sebab mereka berada di daratan dan tidak mustahil untuk kita boleh kira dan menganggarkan berapakah jumlah mereka sebab kaedah yang mereka gunakan adalah camera trap, letak kamera dekat pokok, kemudian boleh kira berapa pak belang yang lalu dekat kawasan tu. Okay, dan kita boleh tagging.
Ganu Beach. So we don't have the accurate statistic data for sea turtles as we cannot see the male sea turtles. As for Malayan tigers, we just have around 250 to 340 tigers left. But for sea turtles, the probability they to extinct more or less than 10 years. This is because humans still eating the turtles' egg without thinking about the future and concern too. But this story may be not accurate because we cannot count the sea turtles, especially deep in the sea, as we can count the tigers. Sea turtles nowadays are threatened by two major threats, which are the trade and consumption of turtle eggs, illegal and unregulated poaching of turtles by foreign vessels. Furthermore, our sea turtles are harmed by the plastic waste that humans keep throwing on the beach and in the sea. The turtles, they thought that the plastic waste is a jellyfish, as the plastic waste have a shape that looks like a jellyfish. As Malaysians, we live together to see a better future for ourselves.